Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. So I want to show you how to trade these dots. You can see they're giving us some pretty nice opportunities. So here's how to do this. The alert fires and it'll come into your alerts log. As you can see, these alerts have been going off. What you're looking for is entry on a break of structure, and by that I mean you can pull a line through here. You got a trend running through. You can see this candle break of structure, and then once you see the break of structure, you wait for the pullback. It's really quite simple, but you need to follow the rules. You got to have a look left after the break of structure. Have a look left and mark up where you see a price gap, and by that I mean if you have a look at this candle, have a look at the candle left, mark it, and the candle right, mark it, pull that across. That's a price gap. You're going to enter short at this break here, break of structure here. You can see that it's broken the trend on the pullback into when the market looks to rebalance. Rebalance as in trade back through this imbalance price gap. Right? So that's your short. Let's have a look at this with every one of these signals and see how they stack up. Trades into the price gap, short it, stop loss above, winning trade. Now let's just go back and see how these stack up and how we trade them. Could mark these as well. Dot fires, pull a line down. Do we have a break of structure? Yes, we do. In fact, let me show you this. You want to enable cloud break 1 and cloud break 2 here. This is going to give you these triangles. That's probably getting in a little bit late, but that will confirm a break of structure. The easy way to do it is, see, we've broken the trend here. Have a look at your previous high. That's your break of structure there. There's your pullback. We don't see an imbalance, so we can just take that trade. This previous high, pullback, we take it. Let's just have a look at the next signal. Okay, here we go. This is why we wait for the break of structure. Signal fires. Break of structure occurs. See these candles here? Right there. The white candle is the giveaway. Right? You can see it's clearly a trend up. Trades back down. We break these lows. We get a lower low here. Okay, now we're waiting for the pullback. Mark up the price gap. So have a look at this candle left to the candle right. There's a price gap. We wait for the pullback in, rebalance, and we short it right there. Stop loss. When you see our indicators giving us these red dots, as you can see through here, that'll do for your stop right there. Okay, so 3 profitable trades. If we follow these rules, where's the next one? There's your dot. What we're waiting for is the break of structure. Pull it down, 3 touches, and it's always easy to spot because this previous high was broken here. That's your break of structure here. We get this higher low. Entries here. If you're a little bit nervous taking that one, wait for the next. But what we're waiting for is this candle. Look at the candle left and the candle right, mark it up. There's your price gap. You buy when it trades down into this gap. Stop loss below the high. And we got a little bit out of that one. Wasn't as profitable as the others. But what we'll do quickly here is let's have a look at rules of engagement. So when we enter, we're looking for target 1, 1-to-1 risk reward. We close 70%, partial profits right there. At that point, you can leave your stop loss where it is. This is in the money, profitable trade, even if that gets taken out. You've taken 70% at 1-to-1, slightly under 1-to-1. Leave it, let it go. Let it run, see what happens. So let's see what happened with that one. Okay, notice the stop loss doesn't get taken out at all. Look at the outcome. Nice trade. Okay, nearly a 3-to-1 risk reward. Follow the same rules. Do we see a break of structure here? No, because this is followed by a lower low, a lower low, lower highs. There's no break of structure, we don't touch it. This one here, higher low. Okay, we get this, pulls back down. That's your key there. So if you follow the rules, you're going to get a pretty high win rate. And I mean, do the math. You would have missed that one, possibly. Higher low, higher low. You may or may not have gotten into that one. We'll just let that one go. Now here's another one here. There's your signal. We're looking for lower high. Not really a lower low, but lower high followed by this one here. Lower high followed by another lower high. You may or may not have read that and taken it. But if you did, Kudos to you. Where's the next one? See, there's two signals here and these ones, all right? So you're looking for the break of structure. This is the one that gives it to you here. Higher low, break of structure here. There's your entry. This gap comes back, fills the gap, buy. Stop loss under. Look for the break of structure. Do we get it? No. Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. Okay, all the way down, and then we get a higher low here. That's your key there. We don't take that. We don't take that. We don't take that. Okay, we're not getting the break of structure. Now you can pull a line through to help you confirm it. Kind of got that, but we got a lower low, so it's no go. Clearly, all lower lows through here. Lower low, lower low, lower low. Leave it alone. Higher low, higher low. Okay, we don't touch it. This is the one here. Okay, lower low, lower low, lower low. Break of structure. There's your signal, break of structure. Higher low. Ignore that one. See what we've got here? Higher low. There's your long right there. You just got to learn how to read the break of structure. It just takes practice. Just go back and have a look at them. Back test and know what you're looking for. Here it is again. Look, guys, I'm giving you the keys to unlimited money floating around out there. $5 trillion a day. All you need to do is tap into it, download it into your account. There's a signal. Lower low. Then what? Higher low. Break of structure. That's your buy. Do we get it here? Lower low, lower low, lower low. No, we don't. Okay, here's a signal. Do we get a lower low? A higher low, I should say. No, we don't. Lower low, lower low. So we don't touch it. Break of structure. This one we would have taken. Think you can see what we're getting at, but there's your signal. Break of structure, higher low, buy. Signal, lower low, lower low, well, higher low. It didn't really come back down into to fill this gap. This one did here, here. You may or may not have taken that one. But, you know, I think you can see what I'm getting at here. Okay, lower lows. Okay, there's no break of structure. Yeah, this one you would have taken it, and that's a profitable trade. Higher low here. Okay, you may have taken this trade, and look at this one though. Break of structure. We get the pullback around here. That's quite nice. You may have even taken it here. This lower low here. That might have been your entry, or at least over here. Right. So this is trading with the break of structure concept, and I mean we got a 100% win rate out of that if we follow the rules. I don't know. Were there 10? All you need to do is have the strategy, have your trading plan, look at any of the currency pairs, whatever you want to trade, go back. Here we're looking at gold. Go back, back test it. If you see it stacking up, stick to the rules. Guys, gain access to the indicators. Here's our Discord trading room. I'm posting trade signals in here. You can join. Go to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. We have a new pricing structure. From $10.95 a month, okay, extraordinary value. I'm making this available. I think lifetime membership would be a good option. In any case, there's a few options in here. So with that, guys, look forward to seeing you in Discord. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.